Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we're going to talk about Dispatch push-to-talk products. Introducing the all-new Dispatch PTT, the best push-to-talk adapter amplifier available in various cable lengths. Designed specifically to replace the Plantronics SHS 1890 series, the Dispatch 15 brings modern, rugged reliability and a familiar design to your console. Built for the demands of the 24/7 dispatch environment, the durable materials used on the pistol grip and button will last for years, and the spring steel belt clip keeps its shape and retention even under pressure. It features a high tactile push-to-talk button rated at 1 million cycles, and this switch features a lockable position for those extended transmissions, giving you a hands-free operation. The Kevlar reinforced cables come in 15 or 25-foot lengths when stretched and feature a high-memory recoil cable. The Dispatch PTT works perfectly with a variety of applications, such as 911 dispatch. It also works great for air traffic controllers and works with all major dispatch consoles, including Motorola MCC, Avtec, Zetron, L3 Harris, and other systems. For rural, public safety, private security companies, tow trucking, long haul, and other dispatch teams using Motorola or other two-way radio base stations, the Dispatch PTT series works great with our conductor adapter boxes. So for all of your dispatch-related gear, including push-to-talk switches, conductor boxes, and two-way radios, call us today.